Hey beauties! Welcome back to the Global Fashion Workshop. I remind you that we post new videos every Monday, Wednesday and Friday. So today we have a review of this black crêpe de Chine blouse. It seems very easy at first, but if you look closely, it's not that easy, but don't worry, it's also not too hard. Now I will tell you in detail about this blouse, share the secrets of tailoring and show the blouse on the table. Where should we begin? It imitates Dolce & Gabbana blouses. There is a white elastic band here. The elastic bands create cute gathers. If the firmware here was wider than the elastic band of an elegant assembly, it would not work. Here is also an elastic band. Elastic band on the back. Elasticated sleeves. 15 cm of freedom in the hips. It is straight. Therefore, there is less freedom here than in the hips. I'm so in love with this blouse. I find it unique and rare. In front of the tweezers, ironed to one side. 2 mm each pinned, 9 tweezers, it go in the center of the front. The sleeve was pinned on a pin. It will create a silhouette. The sleeve is with an elastic band, but there are transverse tucks 11 cm higher here. Here are 6 pins of 2 mm, very nicely done. The pin tucks need the sleeve to be firm and stand and not fall down. Now I'll show you on the table. We'll talk about hemming and secrets of tailoring later. Blouse on the table. Look at the pin tucks again. It looks very beautiful on a black crêpe de Chine dance. It takes a lot of training to be able to do these tucks. Now the seams. Hem. 5 to 6 mm with a closed cut. There is no overlock anywhere. Side seam without overlock, no recesses. Look at the seams. The inner seam of the sleeve is inverted. There are no threads anywhere. There is no overlock. Now the secret. Tulle wing snap-on 5 buttons. The edge is finished with silk and 5 buttons are sewn on. This is done in order to take off at the time of washing. Tulle is very difficult in the wash. This is the secret I am sharing with you today. This is what a sleeve without wings looks like. That's how it is with the wing. Now I will show you which skirt is sewn for this blouse. It is made of chiffon and it is sewn especially for this blouse. And with this skirt, it will look exactly like Dolce & Gabbana. Please write in the comments section if you like this look. That's it for today. Be different and beautiful, subscribe to my channel, write comments, share the videos, press the like and bell buttons. We would really appreciate your support. Don't forget to follow us on our Instagram platform, Global Fashion Workshop. The link will be down below. Thank you so much for watching and we will see you in our next one. Bye!